Welcome back to Ingram Micro's Unified Communications Connection video series. I hope you enjoyed the last two videos from Chad. Chad is a technologist that's always on the cutting edge of unified communications. I lean on Chad a lot when we talk about where does Ingram Micro have to go? What vendors do we need to partner with to deliver that solution to you, our partners? Today, though, I want to take a different track. I want to talk about services that you should be providing your customers because somebody else probably is if you are not. Let's talk about digital transformation. I know the term is overused. We hear it in every aspect of our business. But particularly now, when you're looking at the accelerated rate that our customers and your customers are going through because of the pandemic, digital transformation is incredibly important. And in this video, I want to talk about 3 services that you should be talking about to your customers, all available through our Digital Transformation Services group at Ingram Micro. Number 1, let's talk about that pre-sale solution. So a couple of videos ago, you may remember me talking about that work from home bundle kit, right? What goes into that? How do you manage it, etc. Also talked about the management software and how you could possibly manage associates who are now working remotely or in a hybrid world where they're partially in the office, sometimes home, sometimes in a Starbucks cafe, wherever it may be. And finally, how to wrap those all together with the platform. Our digital transformation teams can help you understand the goal of your customer and help you design that perfect solution. You should be leveraging those teams to understand the technology that will solve the customer need. Remembering the customer need has changed dramatically. Depending on the sector, restaurants and retail are in a whole different world trying to understand their order-to-cash systems. Many businesses are somewhat back, some are not back. It depends where you are located, depends on the extent of the pandemic at this point. But they're looking for different ways to enable their customers. And this is where you, our partners, can come in and really help them. And leveraging Ingram Micro's pre-sales DX services will really help you design that solution that not only will work for your end customer, but could potentially even help you in growing your customer base and being known as that digital transformation expert. The next thing that I want to talk about is our digital transformation services, installation, and support services. Here's the second thing. I know it's weird because there's no building to go to anymore. There's no support structure, or it's not the same as it used to be. You can't just show up with a tech and install 150 units. Here's where leveraging Ingram Micro's DX services can help you. 1, understanding what you're putting together with the pre-sale support, and then working with the team on how to implement that. In many cases, a lot of things can be done prior to the product shipping through our Millington Configuration Center or our Miralona Configuration Centers to enable that Apple or Samsung experience for your end customers, where a customer will open the box and very simply be up and running very quickly. Our DX services can help you with that. On top of that, they can also go on site and help prepare your end customers for the next phase. If they're a medical center, they're already in that next phase. They never stopped. Manufacturing, warehousing, they never stopped. Leverage our DX services to expand your installation capabilities. Allow your customers to get more from you and own more of that sale. And then the last one I want to talk about is an interesting area that's always been out there, but it's very underutilized. Training and support services. With training, it's going to allow for the adoption of technology, particularly now when you're not necessarily in an office environment or in a structured work environment. Training on how to use the platforms, training on how to use the technology to get the best customer experience is key and important to you and your customers. Deliver that customer experience by leveraging our digital transformation services teams to be able to train your customers, develop programs to control large rollouts and make sure that customers have the right documentation, the right understanding, video series on how to set things up. All of those are available through our digital transformation services. And we're here to supplement what you do as partners and allow you to take down those larger opportunities. So with that, I want to close it out with the 3 key areas. Digital transformation services at Ingram Micro can help you in 3 key areas. Number 1, in that pre-sale engineering, understanding the customer's need, developing that solution to be able to solve for that need. 2, during the sale, let us help you understand how to best deliver that product, how to do installation, how to make sure everything gets there and delivers that best customer experience. And finally, after the sale, allow us to help you help your customers understand how to make it work. Don't be the guy with the cat face in the video chat. Allow us to help you help your customers understand how to best leverage technologies. The next couple of series coming up, I'm going to encourage you to join. Liz Prosser, my senior sales manager of my unified communications team, is going to be talking about expanding your resources and understanding more about what you can do. Univinograd is also going to be joining us to talk about how to leverage all the tools at Ingram that you've heard about in this series. Until next quarter, have fun. Remember, we're all in this together, and we will succeed. For now, I'm Steve Yochum, and I look forward to talking to you again.